Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I've got something new to show you, and it is Meaningful Beauty. Now, if you think about it, I'm sure that you've seen a commercial with Cindy Crawford and Dr. Jean-Louis Sabat, and they have created the skincare system that has kept Cindy Crawford young all these years. And I received a box for Christmas. It was a starter kit. Now that runs $59.96. And then you get shipments every other month. So you have 2 months of supplies in the box, and the same supplies come each month. So let's go ahead and see what this month has inside. So when you open the box, this is what you're going to see. What does that little message say? When you look and feel your best, you radiate confidence. That's what Meaningful Beauty is all about, Cindy Crawford. So when you pull your bag out, it's in this really cute little bag. And you can see the products inside. Now, one thing this does not have is like a little flyer to show you, to tell you a little bit more about each product and how to use them. So let's go ahead and start at the beginning. So we have the Skin Softening Cleanser. And let's see, does it say anything? Apply cleanser directly onto dry skin, massage using a gentle circular motion, and rinse with warm water and a washcloth. So that's what that one is. And then we have their famous serum. This is the Youth Activating Melon Serum. It only starts right here. It has a little pusher that pushes the product up. And what does this say? It says apply 1 pump to cleansed face morning and evening. So that's what that one is. Then we have an anti-aging day cream with environmental protection broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. And this says nothing. It shows active ingredients, that it's a sunscreen, and you can put that on in the morning. Now, I have found this to be a medium weight moisturizer, and it covers very well. You really don't need much. I do have to say, though, I don't really care for this bottle. It's hard to get the product out of this design of tube. And then we have, ooh, I can't see that, a Lifting Eye Cream Advanced Formula. Use morning and evening following your cleansing and moisturizing routine. Gently pat a small amount around the eye area. And that's what that looks like. And then they have a wonderful evening cream. This is the Age Recovery Night Cream, featuring the renewal properties of retinol and Meaningful Beauty's famous melon. This luxurious overnight treatment is designed to visibly improve the look of firmness, elasticity, and the overall texture of your skin. In the morning, skin feels refreshed, hydrated, and ready to face the day. This is, all these are shrink wrapped. I'm going to keep them that way because I'm like right at the very end of my night cream and my day moisturizer. This morning I ran out of this one, so this came just in time. Now, these products do not have a heavy chemical smell, nor do they have a heavy fragrance smell. It is a light product smell. and this glides on. You really just need one pump, though if I come down my neck and onto my chest, I may use two pumps. And this has a very light, the SPF Day Moisturizer has a very light scent as well, and it goes on very smooth, and I do like to apply this just before I put my makeup on, so I like that. And then the eye cream does feel cooling as you put it on, and so far, I like the products. Now, my mistake was not taking a before picture when I started using this at Christmas, which was 2 months ago. So it takes about 3 months to really show a difference. And so I am on month 2. And in March, I will start month 3. So I am anxious to see how this will change my skin. I've noticed a little bit more of a brightness and even tone over my skin so far, but as far as the fine lines and wrinkles, it's so hard to say because, you know, I have heavy texture around my mouth from so much sunbathing in my youth, but we will be keeping an eye on my skin and see how I like it. But for $59.96, you get the cleanser, the serum, a day cream, an eye cream, and a night cream. And every other month, you will be charged $59.96 to get all of these things. Now, if you're interested in Meaningful Beauty, I will go ahead and leave a link for you down below. And I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.